Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. So we were blessed with, actually my friend Linda was blessed with, this big beautiful bowl of tomatoes, and we're going to turn it into some Rotel. We had about half a cup of green chilies left over from our enchiladas of the other night. We have 1 onion and 1 green pepper that we are going to chop up for the Rotel. Together, the onion and the green pepper will just really just make the Rotel so delicious. We also went ahead and purchased a jalapeno pepper to go along with this and make it a little bit hotter. And because we are going to be water bathing this, and these are more out of season tomatoes, we're going to add some lemon juice. We're going to go ahead and take out the seeds and the white of the jalapeno.
Upstairs.
We boiled it for about 5 minutes so we could put into hot jars. Go ahead. No, anything go anywhere. Doesn't have to be the next one in line.
Oh, I see you're trying to make that.
I'm trying to have space to. Yeah.
Fries out. Today's 50-degree weather, and then let's heat it up in the bottom here.
I'm sorry. I am slow. There, that's good. All right. And we got 3, 6, 9, 12 pints of the Rotel. I gotta wash them off yet. But they have all sealed. And I need to wash them off because our water's got some hard water spots. But not bad. Not bad. Wonderful. Save 10% on superb canning lids and canning jars. Use the code RebelCanners10. The link is below. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out.